Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's Tuesday, June the 4th, 7:30 in the morning, up bright and early for another great day here on the markets. It's red at the moment, things are down, but there's a lot to do today. A lot of great stocks to look at, more reviews to look at, great opportunities, covering the latest financial news, what's going on, live chat and debate, up to 12 hours a day. In fact, we have just launched another new service today for our members, and it starts right now for the very first time in our extra channel. You might like to take part in it. It should be a popular day and a popular discussion. So what we're doing is each morning there'll be a subject, there'll be something to debate, talk about, there'll be a poll to vote in, and there'll be engagement to get involved and all the rest of it. So that's going on right now in our extra channel. So if you want to go and check it out, let me share with you on the screen. This is what's happening. Every morning we'll have a different question, and it is members only, so we'll keep it really good and decent and no spammers and scammers and promoters and people coming in spoiling things. But throughout the morning, pop into our 12-hour stream. This is it here behind the scenes, and you can see we've already got 10 people here debating. They can hear the show. It's a live radio show at the same time. You can tap the like button the same, and here is the chat. You can see Stephen Lewandowski is here, John Granfort is here. And we have a couple of things. We have a question for you. This is the debate of the day. Long-term investor or short-term scalper. 12-hour debate. This will run for 12 hours. Leave your thoughts on pros and cons. That's the debate of the day. You can also then vote in the poll, and you can see so far 89% are saying long-term investor and 11% are saying short-term scalper. All right, you might, of course, do both, but what's the majority of what you're doing? So you can debate the pros and cons, have a discussion, learn from each other, share ideas, or Mike's just joined in as well. There's Mike. So there you go. Have a conversation, have a chat, learn about things, and in a very, very safe, fun, calm environment. There's nobody in there that's going to ruin it and stuff like that. So a great place. That is the extra channel. If you want the link for that, here is the extra channel live right now. There is the chat. There is the link in the chat for you. If you want to go and visit that, I'll also give the link to my Rumble audience. I've got a Rumble audience as well. So let me give them the link as well. Rumble's just about to go live. It takes a few seconds just to go live, but I will give you the extra channel as well. Once we get enough people on Rumble, I'm planning on doing it here. We just don't have enough people at the moment to make it viable for me to invest in it. So at the moment I can't afford to do it, but the idea is hopefully at some point I will be able to. Anyway, there you go. All right, so if you are in Rumble and you want to join in the conversation, today's debate is long-term investor or short-term scalper. Live debate and discussion for 12 hours plus the poll. All right, okay. Now then, as you can see, we are slightly down this morning, just slightly, 0.57. Remember, I'm down more and I'm up more because I'm using margins. So if the markets are down 0.2, I'm down 0.5. I nearly double it now in either direction. So obviously I'm down much more today because of margin. Okay. My overall, you can see there's my Roth IRA. It's down 0.4. You see what I mean? And I'm down 0.57 on my Roth, on my main account. So you can see I'm down more there because I'm in margin. All right. Okay, overall balance 88.2. The 88.7 was the all-time high, so we are off that at the moment. We've been buying the dips, but can't buy any more. I've got to earn money. I don't get paid now for another 18 days on YouTube, and that's when I start reducing my margin again. But I've got to be paying down margin. I can't buy any more unless there was a huge 20-30% crash. And then, of course, I might use margin more. Well, I would use margin more, there's no doubt. But right now, I'm really, that's about as much as I want to go Otherwise, it will take me like 10 years to pay it off, and then that's not much point, really. Okay, so there we go. Let's have a look at all the positions this morning and read all the comments. If you've just come in, click subscribe and ring the bell. Consider doing that, and tap the like button as well. Let's have a look. How many people are watching this morning? 32. Good morning to all of you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. 34. It's going up now. Tap the like button. Let's see who we've got here this morning. Who was first in? Octavio Garcia. Good morning, everyone. Morning, Mike. Love oily trades, says Stephen Lewandowski. He's our oil expert, and he'll share his views in here and the extra channel with you. If you want to ask him questions, 12 hours a day. If he's in the extra channel, you can ask him anything you like. He's our oil trader. Go DB. Morning, all. Jason Davis, how are you this morning? Lovely to see you here. FFIE, good king term holds. Good king term holds. I'm not sure I understand what that means. Do you mean long-term hold? Certainly wouldn't say that. It's 99.999% going bankrupt. I would say 100%, really. I'm just trying to be, a little bit generous to those who think it's a long-term investment. It really isn't. There's no value here whatsoever. Good morning, GoDB. Ed Nevius, morning all. GoDB, how close to the fires are you, brother? Good. Oh, indeed. Have we got GoDB in California? And Zachzay, anybody in California? Yes. Why is California always burning? Why is California always burning? What is that about? What is it about? How come they're always burning? Never understood it. Good morning, everyone. Chris Schultz, good morning to you. Welcome, welcome. Liam Laffey, Martin, I love the show so much. You've inspired me to create my own new channel based around Rocket Lab. You are such an inspiration, and we appreciate everything you do. Liam Laffey. Right. Well, Liam Laffey, have you got the channel up and running now then? Because if you are a silver member, and you can always downgrade, right? I can put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel and get everyone to subscribe to you. It's one of the benefits of being a silver member. I can members days, I can promote you and share your YouTube channel with everybody and all the rest of it. Actively promote it in my videos. Think about that. Let me have a quick look. This is your channel. Oh, you just started. Here we go. So 2 videos. Where's your subscribers? You're not showing your subscribers at the moment. So what I can do, if you are a silver member, I can put you on the homepage of the channel, which is here. Look just there, look, silver members or upwards. There you go. Silver members are upwards. I can promote your channel. I can get people to subscribe to you. I can link videos to you. If you ever want to go gold member, I can give you 2 hours a month, one-on-one calls to help you grow and help you, build your channel. If you want any tips and tricks, how to, do thumbnails and all the things that you have to do with YouTube. I can certainly share my experience with you if you'd like me to. All right, these are the benefits that you get as a silver or gold member. All right, okay. Congratulations and good luck to you. I sincerely hope you do well. Good idea to share here's a free tip for you. Good idea to share your subscribers. People that don't share their subscribers, who don't display it, always there's a sense of, is it real or not? It's always good to show your subscribers. Doesn't matter if you have 1 or 1 million, it shows it's real. And, people don't mind a channel with 1 subscriber. Mr. Beast started with 1 subscriber. I started with 1 subscriber. Nothing wrong with that. Always show it. I think people prefer it. Just a little tip there. You get that one for free. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's read the comments. But congratulations to you. Stacey Bailey. Hello, how are you? I'm East Coast. Good luck to everyone. He's East Coast. So GoDB's fine. Morning, Martin. Anis Syed, good morning to you. It's so dry there. Yeah, I guess that must be it then. Yeah, but I just can't understand in the United States when you have all the, first world facilities and structure, how it's always burning. It's like not a surprise, is it? How is it always, I mean, why do I just don't get it. I understand it's dry, but why does I don't get it. I don't think they do regular control burns in California. Is that what it is? Oh, sorry, I thought you were West Coast, John. No, I'm glad we asked. Glad we checked, though, John. Hi, Martin. Reference California, bad management results in wildfires. I mean, it must be bad management, mustn't it? I mean, think about it. It's been a problem forever. It's a problem. You build houses in places where it's too dry. I presume then you don't put in the facilities to deal with the fires because it always gets out of control. It's always out of control. I mean, isn't the sense of planning and structure is to plan what's going to, what's going to, it's like where I live, it's the same thing. Everyone where I live, 99% of people have asphalt on their roofs, soft asphalt. It's like felt. And it hails here, really dangerous hail, like up to baseball hail. That comes through the roof. That can kill you, right? It's like missiles, right? It comes through the roof. It ruins everyone's roofs. We have had 2 roofs here. 2. And I keep saying, why doesn't everyone have metal roofs? Why don't you have metal roofs? Then you wouldn't have the problem. I don't get it. But everyone just puts on asphalt and it happens again. And when it happens again, suddenly everyone running around, there's all these roofers running around, all these really bad roofers who come down from all over America into the area and start, because there's no roofers. There's not enough. Everyone's getting their roof fixed by, scallywags and, rip-off merchants. It's terrible. But I've never understood it. Why we just don't, have proper roofs. It's like if you live in the North Pole, you have double glazing, right? you have proper heating. But it just seems to me that we don't plan or think anything through anymore. There's always fires in California. There's always roof damage in Texas. I just think this is daft. We don't learn from anything. We just carry on. It's like, no, and I always say, no wonder aliens don't live here. They wouldn't want to live here. It's pointless living here. I'd look at it and go, these people ain't got a clue. I'm not going to go down there. Anyway. Because California is the 7th circle of hell. Sorry, Zay, much love, my friend. The 7th circle of hell. I've heard people say that. I've heard people say something like California is the devil's armpit or something. What does that mean? What's all that about? Let California burn, it's hell. I mean, there's a lot of people who live there. I mean, what's going on? What's all that about? Anyway, California burns because of the extreme heat and the dry season and the 20-year drought. The long grass is lit by heat lighting. But I understand it's dry and it's all this, but then why does everyone live where it burns? Why don't we take steps to be able to put the fires out? Because if a fire starts, do you know what? I thought of an invention, and I don't know why we've never done this, right? I've thought of this, right? Every time there's a fire and the planes go up and the helicopters go up and they go and get water and they drop water, right? And they're running around. It's trying to find water shortages, all of that. All that stuff, right? You know all about that? And, whatever. Why can't we invent a giant like net, a giant, blanket thing that you can shoot off, right? You can out the back of the plane, you can have this like a giant parachute, all right? And it's weighted, on the corners. So it comes down. I'm sure it's more difficult than that. But I always think, why can't we just drop a bloody great fire blanket over the fire? You know what I'm saying? And why can't we prevent it or plan for it rather than every fireman in America rushes to California and you can't put it out there and it's all too late? Why don't we have some sort of prevention? Why don't we have some sort of planning? Now, okay, this area is likely to catch on fire, okay? But right now, it hasn't happened. So right now, it's easier to fix. Very true. Right now, it's easy. Right now, it's easy. If we wait and just wait, then everything's on fire, and now it's too late. Now we're running around. Now we're reacting rather than being proactive, right? So we know it's going to burn in a minute. So let's make sure, right, the fire engines are already where we need them. That's a good plan. Let's make sure we've got some water ready. Let's make sure we've got let's get rid of all the dead stuff that's about to catch on fire. I don't know. There's surely something we can do rather than just wait for it to happen and then here we go again. I don't understand it. Yeah, I have. It's on my other account. I might get silver membership on that. Yeah. Okay. Liam, okay, yeah, I might get silver membership on that. Yeah, that would be a great idea because then we've got your channel in the show. I can put you on the homepage. We can promote it, and I can really help you. If you do a story on Rocket Lab, I can link to you. There's so many things I can do to help you. I want you to do well. I'm not one of those YouTubers who go, I want to keep everybody down. I don't want Liam Laffey making videos on Rocket Labs. Oh, no, I don't want that because if I do that, it's going to take away my viewers. No, Mr. Beast explains this. The more people that cover your subject, the better because it drives a lot of interest towards the subject matter. Your job is to do it better than anyone else. Don't try and put people down and get rid of everyone. Just concentrate on being better. Just concentrate on providing more and better content than anyone else, not stopping anyone from doing it. So I encourage, if everybody wants to set up a Virgin Galactic YouTube channel, be my guest. I will do it better than you, though. I'm just saying. But go and do it, and I'll get everyone to subscribe to it. And what it will do is it will bring more people into the subject. More investors will come in because they believe, there's a lot of people now covering it, and it will be good. It's good. We don't want to never discourage people to do anything. It's always good. Just focus on what you're doing and don't try to put people down because the way to grow in life is not by stamping on people. It's by stepping forward. Step forward, climb up. Don't stamp on people. You don't need to stand on people to get up. A lot of people say that. You've got to stand on people to get up. No, you don't. Just walk forward. Just walk forward, not stand on people. You help people, right? If California had proper forest management, the fires would be much less. I would have thought so. It kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Hello from Denmark, Jean Lerbijan. Hey, Henrik. Denmark's in the house. How are you? Great to see you. Congratulations on the promotion, John Granford. John Granford got a promotion. Did I miss it? What happened there? Hang on a minute. This is the channel, Martin. The Hustle Brothers. The Hustle Brothers. What's this? I don't know what that means. What does that mean? This is the channel. What does that mean? The Hustle Brothers. What does that mean? I'm trying to find out what this means. The Hustle Brothers. Oh, is it your Rocket Lab video? Okay. Right. I'm looking at it. This is this Liam Laffey, the Hustle Brothers? I can see it. Now, we could do a big campaign for you. Dead easy. Dead easy. I could get you, you're at 11 subscribers. I could get you to 100, dead easy. Become a silver. I'll put you on the homepage and I'll do a big promotion for you. How about that? How about that? Congratulations. I love it. John, can we find out what this promotion's all about? Moon Shadow K. Hello, Moon Shadow K. How are you today? Seth, well, I say California also kind of fails at keeping dry debris. There you go, Seth Houston. Seth, you know what we need to do? We need to get you down there with your garden company. Sort them out. Seth could do it. It's the Hustle Brothers. I just commented using it. I'll get a silver medal. Okay, excellent stuff. And I shall get to work straight away. They say California is eventually going to break off from the rest of us due to the groundbreaking. I've heard about that. It's going to go into the sea. Imagine all that. Dear me. Job security. Jay Long. There you go. Let's go and send Seth Houston down there and he can sort them out. How about it? How about it? Right. Martin, you can't ask why people live in California. The ground moves. Clearly they are crazy, like people who live near volcanoes. I mean, I wouldn't live there. Mind you, this is it, you see. This is it. This is it now. This is what I'm saying, right? We all do these mistakes. We all say, I wouldn't live where it's burning. I wouldn't live next to a volcano. Yeah, you do. Look at me. Look at me. If other human beings are doing something stupid, don't look at them. Look at you. Because you're a human and the chances are you're probably doing it yourself. Liam Laffey wants the link. All right, here's the link. You know it's on the homepage of the channel, on the membership page, membership tab. But anyway, I'll give it to you anyway. Just so you got it. There you go. All right. Listen, folks. I used to live in Cornwall, a very beautiful, mild place. The temperatures are just nice and moderate. They don't get really hot. It don't get really cold. There's no killer bloody tornadoes. There's no killer hail. There's no snakes. There's no coyotes. There's no killer animals. There's no people running around shooting people. None of that. Just a little village by the sea. I can open my window all day long, leave my door open, fresh air blows through. But no, I'm in Texas where there's huge, great hail, people running around shooting each other. There's tornadoes that blow your house over. There's snakes that bite your leg off. There's all kinds of monsters. Right? You can't open the windows, let fresh air in. You have air conditioning because all the bugs will come in. Right? So you go, well, why are you here? This is ridiculous. Why don't you go and live in Cornwall? Because I got married. So I'm living in Tornado Alley at the fear of death any moment. See? That's why people do it. See, there's all sorts of stupid reasons. We're not logical, are we? We're not logical. We don't think, hang on a minute. I don't want to live there. I don't want to live in the desert where it's all scary and dangerous. I can live in a village by the sea. No issue at all. No, let's go and live where there's killer snakes that bite your legs off. Copperheads, they're called. The killer snakes. They're all around my house. If I walk outside, Leah keeps telling me, don't put your hands in the bush, when you're doing the weeding. But you got to be careful. Copperheads, they bite you, you die. It's like, bloody hell. In England, I get my hands in the dirt and all I get is a little slug. Or a little worm. And I go, that's all right. They don't hurt me. Here, it's a bloody nightmare. Anyway. Bloody nightmare, I tell you.
The Hustle Brothers has become a member.
The Hustle Brothers. The Hustle Brothers. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Right. Now then. Here you go. You ready? You're going to like this. You're going to like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go to chat. You're going to like me. You're going to think, this is brilliant, this, right? This is good. You're going to like this. You ready? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here. I'll show you as I do it, right? I'll show you as I do it. I'm too nice. Remember I told you yesterday I'm too nice for everybody. Way too nice. Too nice. Shouldn't do this, but I'm going to do it. Right? Here's my channel. Featured channels. Featured channels. All right? Right? Watch this. I've got edit. I've got to edit. I've got to take this one out now. Let's get rid of that one a minute. Okay, that's not a sponsor anymore. There you go. Take that out. Right. Featured channels. Members. Silver or upwards. Right. So what I'm going to do is go in here. Edit section. Now then, we have to do a few adjustments here. So these are the silver members. There's a hard pan, and we've got to just change these a little bit. Okay, let's make sure everything's good there. Okay, right. Look at that. Look at that. Hustle Brothers. Hustle Brothers. Back over here. Edit. Where did you go? Why didn't it appear? It should appear. Done. Hang on a minute. Why isn't that appear? Publish. Publish. Don't think it was refreshing properly. Sometimes takes a few minutes for it to work. Oh, there you go. There's the Hustle Brothers. Let me just make a couple of changes here. Sometimes there's a few little glitches, but don't worry about that. Edit. Ah, there we go. Right. I've got to delete a couple and change a few around. So I'm going to move you up to... I'm going to move you there. The Hustle Brothers. I'm going to put you there because you've got 2 memberships now. You've got the main account. So if you've got 2, you go up further. All right, that's just how it works. Bill, I've got to remove Bill. He's not a member anymore. That's all up to date. Okay, that's all up to date. Okay, publish. I like doing this. Right, come back to here. We got 30 minutes to go before the bell goes, so I'm just taking care of a member. Taking care of a member, right? Come back over to here. Now refresh the screen. Oh, right, you ready? It's Members Day. Why is it Members Day? Because I said so. Right, no reason. Right, there's the homepage of the channel. The Hustle Brothers. Now, as long as you're a silver member, you get this, and I will continue to help support you along the journey. All right? There is the homepage of the channel. Are you ready to get excited? Hustle Brothers. I've given you prime spot because you have 2 memberships. You have your main account, you have your normal account, Liam Laffey, and you have the Hustle Brothers. You ready? Scrolling, 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 scrolling. And there you go. Silver members or upwards, the Hustle Brothers. Right. So what we want to do now, Liam Laffey has been a member for a year. All right. Liam Laffey has been one of our members for a year. Let me just scroll up so I can see where it was. I think he's got the 1 year badge. Liam, where are you, Liam? Why can't I see you? Saw you a minute ago. Liam Laffey, yeah, he's got a 1-year badge. He's been a member of for a year. So what we're going to do now, we're going to help Liam, right? He's making videos on Rocket Lab. He's going to steal my audience, but it's okay. I'm going to help him, right? Because I love it. He's called the Hustle Brothers, Liam Laffey. There he goes. He's on the homepage of my channel. Look, right there. Yeah, we got 20, nearly 26,000 subscribers are going to see the Hustle Brothers right there. Look, we're going to click on it. Now, there's Liam. I'm presuming that's Liam there. I'm presuming that's Liam Laffey right there. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get Liam in one day to 100 subscribers so he can start streaming live. Because if he gets 100, he can stream live, right? So you ready? Okay. Liam Laffey is on 11. I'll start it off easy and we'll make it 50 first, right? Now, sod it. We'll do 100, right? Here we go. Here is Liam's YouTube channel. There you go. Everybody, I'll put it on. Should I put it on Rumble as well? Yeah. I'll put it on Rumble as well. Here you go. Here's my Rumble audience. Would you help one of my mates out? There you go. There's Rumble. What else should I do? That'll do for now, I think. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to get you overexcited. It's not good for your health, right? So there we go. Right. Has everyone done it? I'm going to come back in 1 minute and I want to see it go to 20 in 1 minute. All right. Okay. All right. So we'll come back in a minute and we'll see if it's gone up to 20. It's all about Rocket Labs and daily news. Rocket Labs and daily news. Okay. We'll come back in a minute and we'll see if we've helped him out. Right, there are many potential jobs in land management. They are large burn paths, alleys in the south to slow any fires down. My home is in the mountains, almost burnt down in 22 in Washington State because of a man parking his car on tall grass. The warm underneath of the car started the grass on fire, causing a massive fire. Bloody hell, cedar trees. Sorry to hear that. Florida has lots of fires too, but Florida has controlled burns, helps in fire management. There you go. Caden Youngquist is here. How's Caden doing? I'm a mod now. Oh, that's what you meant by the promotion. Yes. Hey Martin, can you drop the done that? I'll show up with my trimmers and trailers, clean it all up for a small fee of $2,000, no less. Hey, Seth Houston, if you're off to California, right, and you're gonna go and cut the grass for $2,000, cut me in, mate. Cut me in. I want to be in on this. This sounds like a good business. I can do a YouTube. I can play the piano and sing while you're cutting the grass. How about that? I want a cut of that $2,000. New Texan tourism advert for Martyn Lucas. New sideline. Yeah, come to Texas, get your leg bitten off by a copperhead snake, go outside and get eaten by a bobcat, then get your head smashed in with a flipping hailstone, then get tornadoes. Oh, bloody hell. It's crazy. Anyway, Martin, you have way too much coffee today, more than usual. No, none at all. Just a cup of tea. Do you know what it is? I've decided to leave all the crap behind. You know all that stuff? GameStop. Remember all that? Not doing it anymore. It's rubbish. I'm not doing it. Right? We're all positive here today. We're talking about making money, helping people, doing reviews, investing, having a conversation, having a laugh, having a good time. We're not going to waste our time anymore. GameStop. We're not doing that anymore. Cheers. We're here to build things, make things. They didn't call it the Wild West for nothing. That's bloody right. It's wild enough. It's like a bloody zoo. Morning, Martin. What's the move for today? Well, we haven't got into the trades yet. Christopher Kramer will be on that in a minute. Welcome, Hustle. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Welcome, hustle. Have a good day, everyone. Can't thank you enough. That's all right, mate. I'm here. Rawhide. Thank you, Mike. I wondered if you were going to get it. Good morning, all. Good morning, Mark. Guten Morgen. He's kind of expecting to say good. Jay Long, subscribed. If there are 0 short shares left, does that mean they can't do it anymore? If there are no short shares left, they can't. Yes, if there's no short shares left, that's when you start getting a short squeeze. Learning here, Chris Schultz. Here you go, DB. I need to create a YouTube channel for my online show. I'm going to do it today. Oh, I love it. Everyone's going to be a Lucasade Prodigy YouTuber now. I love it. Everyone, you might as well. You know I'm going to help you. Hey, Stacey Bailey, do you remember? Hey, Stacey, come here. Come here a minute. Do you remember? You know you said you wanted to sell stuff. I can help you sell stuff. Mark Korn, right, he called me up. He was a member. He is a member. He's been a member for 2 years. He said to me, Martin, he said, I've written a book, put it on Amazon. I've got no friends. No one's bought any. I've no downloads, nobody. I said, I can sort that out. I can sort that out, mate. So within 4 days, he was in the top 10 selling short stories category on Amazon. And then he wrote like 5 books. So we helped him out. So Stacey, I can help you out as well. All right. It's all part of the service. You can't believe it, can you? Why would anyone not be a member to this channel? Can you reach out to Rap? Yes, I can. If you'd like me to, Radiant Smile, I will contact Rap today. I will do that for you. Radiant Smile, with the greatest of pleasure. According to Interactive, IBX has less than 150 shares of shorts left. Okay, that's interesting. Where do you get this information with the short shares? Yeah, I'd like to know that. I'd like to know, Chris Schultz, send me a link for that. Let me verify that, check that, because that could be very, very useful to all of us. Interactive brokers, share me the link. Exactly. Don't just say the website. Share me the link of that. I'm a little bit busy now doing a show. Share me. Yeah, I'll Discord you the link. That's better. That's better. Don't just go check the website out. I get that from Caden Youngquist. He's 18 years of age. He's a young lad. He comes in and goes, Martin, there's something really good today happening with Binky Bong. I went, oh, is it? He said, yeah. I said, send me the link. He said, we can Google it. I said, I'm doing a show here. I'm on a show. I'm on a live show. Are you able to call up the news channel? I don't know, CNN, Fox, BBC, Sky News. Hello? Hello? I'm live on air right now. Yeah, but it's Caden Youngquist, right? Okay, but I am on air, right? Yeah. I want you to check something out for me. I'm on air. Well, can you send me the link? Make it a bit easier. Well, you can Google it. That's the sort of stuff I've got to put up with. Right, now are you ready? We got let me have a look. The Hustle Brothers. Did you all do it? If I don't see this on 20, I'm going to be very, very upset. Right? We've got Liam Laffey, who's been a member of our channel. There it is. I've given you the link for 1 year. And today he's got an extra channel. He's now, because he's gone silver, I've put him on the homepage of my channel, so he's going to get subscribers every day. This is his introduction to the world. He's talking about Rocket Labs. We all like Rocket Labs. Obviously, I do it better. But having said that, we still want to give him a go, right? We want to help him out. Are you ready? 11 subscribers. If that hasn't moved, there's going to be hell up. You ready? Liam Laffey. This better be good. It's not always good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Refresh the screen. He now has from 11 subscribers to 20. We did it. I said 20. Liam Laffey, effectively, Liam Laffey, what we've just done, we've increased your subscribers by 100%. I love it. We have just doubled your. See, now you all need to double my subscriber base. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20. I just thought I'd try it again, just in case. All right, there you go. We just done it. That's good, isn't it? You keep coming in saying subscribe, so I keep checking. Anyway, we just doubled his subscriber base. Right, enough of that. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll do it again tomorrow. We'll do it when we have 23,000 people watching oh yeah, Liam Laffey, you want to join me next week when we got the flight for Virgin Galactic, space people, all right? When we got space people in, imagine it, right? 23,000 watching live, and then we get in, oh yeah. You need to do some videos, mate, get them up there quick. Hard to link when it requires an account to be made. They don't always share correctly. I understand. I'm sure you can do the best. Subscribed, J Long, subscribed, J Long. Canopy growth exercises options to acquire Class A following. Oh, very nice. Send me the link for that and we'll cover the news at me now. If you are a member, oh, you can't, you're not a member. Become a member, share the link and we'll cover it. It'll rank on YouTube, the stock will go up, and everybody will make money. Simple as that, really. All right? Easy, innit? Right, 10 minutes to go. Now, listen here, folks. Today we're going to be more positive. We're not going to waste our time anymore with all the rubbish, okay? We're here to make money. We're here to review stocks. We're here to have a laugh, help people, stuff like that. All right? And stuff like that. Okay, let's go through our stocks. We got 15 minutes to go. We've got a world premiere today. Is Wadey in the chat? Is Wadey here? No, he's not. Okay, because we have got a world premiere in 63 minutes. 63 minutes from now, it goes live. This is the world premiere. We're talking fuel cell energy. Fuel cell in 63 minutes. So I'm going to end this show at 1:15, 63 minutes from now, and we're going to watch this show together. We are going to watch it together. Remember yesterday? Right? And keep the family going. Okay? Very, very important. And then there'll be more premieres. We've got Oxygen coming out today. We've got Navitas just gone out. Worksport just gone out. So lots of people are getting new reviews out and stuff like that. Sober doing good today in pre-market. Thank you, Jay Long. Martin, links in Discord. Thank you. These are the best 2 YouTube live channels in the world, said Mike. I agree 100%. Now then, we started a brand new service today. It just keeps getting better, right? It just keeps getting better. I know you can't believe it, but you got to believe it, right? Every couple of days there's another new service. But calm down, I know you're excited, but another new service every morning from now on until the end of time. There's going to be a question in the extra channel. This is today's question. So the extra channel is running a 12-hour live debate. Long-term investor or short-term scalper. 12-hour debate. Martyn Lucas Investor. Here is the extra channel. We have people in the chat now debating. No scammers, no bots, no trolls, members only. It's 99 cents to be a member, but that's what we do to keep it healthy and good. We got a poll for you. We want to see a poll. Long-term investor is 93% so far. Short-term scalper, 7%. Interesting as you consider 95% of day traders lose money. Interesting statistic building up here. We learn a lot of things from these polls. Go and vote on the poll. We also have the subject today. There it is. Long-term investor or short-term scalper. Leave your thoughts on the pros and cons. Debate. Have a conversation. This will run 12 hours today and we will see where the poll ends. All right, we'll see where the poll ends throughout this. So if you want to be part of it, our daily question to the world, where we learn stuff, where we help people, where we have a laugh, and all the rest of it with no idiots, just a wonderful time. you can go to the extra channel. There is the extra channel. It's only 99 cents to be a member because we don't want bots and scammers and idiots coming in. We want good conversation so we can make money and consistently make money. All right? Okay. There is our debate. That's a new service. Every day I shall come up with a new question until I go, I can't think of one today. Bugger me. Bugger me, I can't think of one. What am I going to do? I promised everybody a question and I ain't got one. Bloody hell, the stress of it. we getting Sense Review this week. We getting Sense Review this week. Sense Review. Did you order a review? Let's have a look. Sense. I'm looking down the list. Occup, HIMS, Hims and Hers. Cedar Trees. We getting Sense Review this week? Why would we be getting that? I don't see a review. Oh, hang on. Oh, Cedar Trees. Yes, I see. Yes, you're at $2. You're at the bottom of the list. I'm sorry to say. But yes, I'm getting all these reviews done this week. Yes, you will. Yes. Cedar Trees, you absolutely will get your review this week. I'm going through all the reviews. There's another 2 coming out today, another 3 or 4 tomorrow. I'm working my way down the list. So absolutely right. Maxwell Power, hello, how are you? I think my name says it all. Jay Long, good. There you go. That's indeed right. Good morning, all. You can't be a scalper if you aren't constantly vigilant about the market. I'm excited for the market open song. Please, Max. Volume. DJ Martin. Yes. See it going up? Portfolio going up? Oh, yes. I super chatted last week. You did. I see it. Medical technology, glucose monitoring, Cedar Trees, $2. It's at the bottom of the list because it's $2. But yes, I'm working my way down the list. Be back in 5 for open. Okay, Chris. See you in a minute. No worries. Morning, Crag. Good morning, everyone. Crag, how are you? You've missed a great show this morning. You've missed our live debate. You've missed our live conversation. We've got a lot going on today. Hi, Crag. Right. Okay, here we go. Markets are rallying. Loving it. 88. I want to see 89,000. Of course, I'll get to 89,000 when I get paid because I'm going to be paying off my margin. So my balance will go up to 90,000 when I get paid in I don't know, 21st of June. But even so, we want to see the stocks rise. Okay. Let's go for our positions. We've got 10 minutes to go. We've got a world premiere coming up. It's going to be very exciting. I know you're all excited. You can't believe it, can you? You can't believe it. Let's go for our positions today. Virgin Galactic's on the way down. 88 cents. It's that bottom where it bounces now. Palantir on the way up. It's down, but it's trying to push up. Gold. The S&P trying to push up today. Amazon. Oh, Sens, he's just given me a super chat. Now, I apologize. I don't know why these super chats aren't playing on the screen at the moment. They should be. I don't know why they're not. They should be. So I'm trying to find out why they're not. So if it doesn't play on the screen at the moment, I don't know. It's something to do with Streamlabs and YouTube have an issue. It's nothing to do with me. Everything is as it should be. But let's hope today's super chat plays on the screen, okay? Let's hope it does. We've had a few issues recently. All right. Let's see what happens, okay? Amazon, Apple. We're just a little brief look. We're not doing the race yet. Just refreshing all these screens. Sorry for the strobing. Sometimes you get a reset like this. Do you remember all the hassle I used to have with Robinhood constantly logging me out? Do you remember that? What a pain in the ass that was. Tilray Brands barcoding. It's a subdued market. You sense the subduedness? I sense it. I can sense anything like that. I've got that skill. The subduedness. Bitcoin. Are we going to hit an all-time high today? Hey, it's working again.
Cedar Trees PNW 1984 donated $3 through a super chat.
It's working again.
Stock review.
It's working again. So that makes you $5 now. That makes you 3 plus 2. I went to university. I'm glad I did because now I know this stuff now. 3 plus 2 is 5, right? I'm really glad I did. Right. Let me take up Sens. So that's now 5. Where does he rank on the list now? He ranks right up there next to Seth Houston, to Kawasaki. Full review. Cut. He's there, look. He's there. He's there, look. There you go. You've just jumped up the list. You've gone up the hit parade now. You're now hit parade. My parents used to say that. That's an old saying. The hit parade. Anyway, there he goes. Right. Where's we had some fun this morning. We doubled 100% doubled Liam Laffey's YouTube channel. Became a silver member today. We put him on the homepage of the channel, and we literally doubled the size of his YouTube channel from 11 to 20. Brilliant. Yes, that was very annoying. I'm sorry about that, Sensei Crypto. It ain't my fault. Don't blame me, right? I don't own Streamlabs. I'm not the little bot who lives in Streamlabs world, who talks to YouTube. I have no control over that. My widget is correct. I'm logged in. I've tested it. It's just not doing it, but it is again now. So Sensei Crypto, yes, that was very annoying. It's all good now. Let's go, Asti. They'll be on the show soon. Shall we bring out Asti? Yes. We know that Faraday's finished. It's all going to zero. We know GameStop's rubbish. We're not talking about it anymore. We're doing the real stuff. The real shares today. But Saudi and OPEC will have a firm bottom. That's not too far off. Cedar Trees. You're now upgraded. It amazes me how SpaceX can have 5 successful launches in a month and Boeing, ULA, and can't launch one. I know. It's all your fault, Mark. That's nice. Sensei Crypto has just said, it's all your fault. Well, that's nice. Isn't that nice? I think Sensei's getting a bit cocky now. Now he's making all these successful videos. He's getting above his station. He's starting to... he's getting a little bit cocky for his boots. That's what he is. Anyway, the video was about Palantir, ironically. You just mentioned it. The video was about Palantir, ironically. What's that? I've no idea what Mark's saying. What's all that about? Hi, Sensei. Morning, Sensei. Christian, all of it. The video was about Palantir, ironically. You just mentioned it. I'm not sure. I think he's talking to somebody else. Asti's going up. Look at that. Big move. 5 minutes ago, we were down 10%. Asti, big move today. They're going to be live on my show next week. Who's going to miss it? Oh, you can't miss that. We've got a live 12-hour debate today. New service, Sensei. New service on the extra channel. New features. You need to be adding new features to your Sunday show. I'm adding new features left, right, and center, right? Creating stuff. Live on the extra channel today. Long-term investor or short-term scalper. We've got a poll, a question, and people are debating on the extra channel today. You missed my above comment. Sorry, Mark. Sorry I missed it. I'm new here from that video. You're new from the video. The video mentioned you just met Mark. Oh, hey, buddy. New here, but I came across one of your videos. Loved the energy. Mark Cloette, where are you from? What country are you from? Everybody, we've got a new guest. Everybody, copy and paste, copy and paste. Yep, here it comes. Here it comes. You ready? Copy and paste. Copy and paste, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. I know. It's over the top, isn't it? It's over the top. Right, welcome, Mark. We got a new guest. Welcome, Mark. Welcome, Mark, to the best YouTube channel in the world. It literally is the best YouTube channel in the world because we have 98% of our members, of our live viewers, members, more than any other channel in the world. That's a fact. We have 3 channels. We have this one, we have the extra channel, and we have the music channel because I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. Oh yes, live concerts. We had a surprise live concert last night. Right? So for those of you that missed it, too bad. That's how life goes sometimes. You snooze, you lose. You're not in it, you don't win it. Last night, private concert, special concert. 30 people showed up. The rest of the world, the other 5 billion, they didn't bother. That doesn't matter. The best 30 people turned up. If you didn't turn up, you're not in the best people, right? Best people last night. So anyway, there you go. Mark's getting a welcome. Shall we invite him in? Let's give him the membership link. Mark, if you become a member now, you're going to get great things happen. And I'm not even going to tell you what the great things are. You just got to do it and then find out. See, is it worth a risk? Ooh, is it worth a risk? What do you think? Am I going to scam you out of $2 or is something really good about to happen? What do you think? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Sensei, you missed a great show last night. You missed this. Last night on the show, we had all this going on. Look into my eyes. It worked last night, Sensei. I did this, and everyone gave me a super chat. Everyone. And remember what we said last night? If you give me a super chat, everyone's stock is going to go up today. Do you remember? So if you super chatted, let me know in a minute if your stocks go up. We got 2 minutes before the bell goes. Ready? So just think on. Think on. You ready? Here we go. Look into my eyes. Give me super chats. Yes, this is a cult, and I am controlling your mind. Give me money, and if you give me money, the super chat power will make your stocks rise. And you will be very rich today. If you don't super chat and give me all your money, you'll have nothing. Basically, I mean, basically, you'll have nothing. Oh man, I got to stop doing this. I'm going to get reported to the cult police. I'm sure I am. Right, Martyn Lucas set up a cult on YouTube. He's getting everyone to give his money. Yeah, people are doing it. You want to see it? Everyone's doing it. Can't believe it. Right, here we go. Sensei's bell is ready. Here it is. Sensei's got his bell. We are ready to rock and roll. Remember, you can sponsor the bell. $20. You can put your name on the bell. Good, isn't it? Sound effects. Ready to go. You ready? Portfolio at standby. Here's the bell. Everyone's excited. Welcome in, Mark. Someone's buying 90,000 shares of IBEX at the moment. Martin, want to take a quick look at Boeing. Just wondering there will be opportunity since Starline was cancelled again. My eyes on... yes, that was very annoying. Let's go, Asti. Yes, Saudi OPEC. Oh, I've gone back here. New hit from that video. I'm Martin. Small question. You warned me about Carnival, and unfortunately, I did not listen. I'm stuck holding the bag. Yeah, Carnival is a load of rubbish. Here we go. Carnival is a load of rubbish. I wouldn't buy it. The management are rubbish. They're all flipping crooked. Anyway, try to help you. Happy Tuesday. Here we go. My 1 hour Sunday show is more like a 3 hour show. How can I do more? I love the Sunday shows. Open to suggestions. How can I do more? 5 hours. Stop messing around. South Africa, but UK. Mark, hang on. Mark Collette. I'm going to come back to you in a minute. If you become a member, we can give you a flag. Woohoo! I had to turn it up. Let's go. Overall portfolio rising slightly now. Virgin Galactic on the way down 88 cents. This is the buy level as provided by Sensei Crypto. This is the buy level as we've given it to you from Sensei. We now go on to Palantir is down but pushing up. Gold is on the way down. S&P is down today but trying to push up. Amazon is down but trying to push up. Apple is up today, 0.32, heading towards $200. Next Era Energy down 0.58. Enphase on the way up today. Oh, it's rising nicely, up 0.45. And Coca-Cola defensive is winning today, $63 at 0.32. J&J, a great buy at 147. It's a $200 stock. Kenvue down 0.78. Chevron oil going down 1.32. Tesla is down 175 today. Rivian up 0.09. McDonald's is flat pretty much. Google is just going down 0.13. Microsoft is on the way down, down 0.78 this morning. Okay, what about Nvidia? Nvidia, we've got the reverse split around the corner. Reverse split just around the corner. Walmart is on the way up, 0.17. Tilray barcoding, good time to buy. Robinhood going down, 0.99. IonQ up today, 0.51. Rocket Lab, we're talking about Rocket Lab earlier with the Hustle Brothers. Rocket Lab down 1% today. Plug Power, manipulation gone crazy, down 3 1/3 today. Rumble going down 1.48. Funware is down 11%. FFIE, rubbish, going all the way down now, 58 cents, back down to 4 cents very soon. Rio Tinto down 1.83. Bitcoin, all-time highs around the corner. Polygon up 0.6. XRP is up 1. ASTI is bouncing around. And let's look at our other meme stocks. We've got GameStop going all the way back down. Absolute rubbish, absolute nonsense, going all the way back down. And now the business is being really damaged by all of the ridiculous people that have been buying this stock and destroying another company. There you go. Sad day, but it is what it is. There is the update today, live on the show. Welcome to the big show. Great to have you here. Fantastic. Welcome everybody into the show. Lovely to have you here. And it's showtime. Let's see how we're doing. Right now, Mark just said he is from South Africa. I must comply. Go DB. I must comply. Absolutely right. Mark, Moy Guzman, I'm so sorry to hear about Carnival. It's a terribly run company. Don't want anything to do with it. I've tried to explain that first-hand experience. Mark, where is Mark? I'm trying to find Mark. There he is. Mark Cloette. Welcome to Mark. Mark, we don't have anybody from South Africa. I don't think so. Do we? I can't remember now. Can someone remind me? We have members in 61 countries around the world, and these are all the flags that we have. If you become a member, we can fly the flag. We have Chile, USA, England, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa. We do have South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, India, Switzerland, Poland, Belgium, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Singapore, Scotland, Wales, Cuba, Brazil, Afghanistan, Libya, Sweden, Bulgaria, Syria, and Latvia. They are all the countries that are represented around the world in 14 languages. The Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you, the Queen? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, Mark. Welcome, Mark. Welcome. A lot of welcomes there. Excellent stuff. Christian, I could send Asti. I could send Asti are here. Many Asti Degens. Welcome, Mark. Welcome, Mark. Welcome, Mark. Let me just tell you about Asti, right? Look at GameStop today going all the way down. There you go. That's the end of that. Asti. Now, Asti, Sensei Technologies, they're going to be live on the show soon. You can put your comments and questions to them. This is the event. If you go up on the homepage right now, look for the upcoming live streams. You will find there the interview, June the 21st, live here in the studio, talking to me live on the show. And there you go. They'll be live with me here in the show. And hopefully bringing in some of their flexible solar panels as well. We've got more ASTI news coming out today as well. There's a premiere on its way in the next few hours. I'll be working on it while you're watching the other premiere. Okay, so we've got a premiere in a minute. This is the premiere. Comes out all about fuel cell energy. It goes live in 37 minutes. So what I'd like everyone to do is go from this show, this live show, to this premiere. Keep the conversation together. Everyone's talking and supporting each other, and it's all about fuel cell today. Okay, so join us for that, and after that, I'll be obviously coming back live for the closing bell, but there'll also be there is a Oxygen review coming out today. There is also a FFIE AI analysis coming out today. It's all going to zero. You know about that. Enphase breaking news, AI news coming out for there. We've also got Roaring Kitties being banned now, more likely go to prison, all about GameStop. It's really, really bad what he's done, and he deserves everything he gets. And sadly, the people that followed him, well, it's your own fault, quite honestly. You need to learn to play the piano, Sensei, so you can do us a Sunday concert after the show. I agree. 2 songs at least. Can we get the little fellas? Can we get the little fellas, Jay Long? Well, I don't know. Can we? Should I start charging $5 for a super chat? Look into my eyes. There's the little fellas. There's the little fellas. We love the little fellas. Little fellas. Let's have a sound effect as well. Yeah, we love it. There you go. There's the little fellas. Fantastic. We're loving all that. Actually, many songs. Stephen Lewandowski. It was your birthday. It was your birthday concert. And Stephen didn't join until we finished. I can't believe it. We did it. Part of the reason why we did it, Stephen, was it was your birthday. So we were having a surprise concert. We never do a Monday concert. We only do Fridays. And I thought, sod it. Let's celebrate your birthday. You wasn't even in until I finished. And then you came in and watched the replay. So I'm so sorry if you'd been in earlier. I mean, it's your fault. I mean, I don't know why I'm saying sorry. But if you come in earlier, we was ready to celebrate your birthday. So you missed out. You missed out and I missed out because you would have felt so like appreciative. You'd probably given me a big super chat because you are an oil baron. So we both missed out because you were lazy. I lost money and you lost a good time. Remember, make sure that you got the bells turned on and you don't miss the notifications. Because if you miss the notifications, I lose money and you lose a good time. It's your own fault. You're only 65 once. It is what it is. Too bad. Too late. Think on. Make sure that you ring the bell. Right. Anyway, DXYZ makes me want to pull my hair out. Got to just hang on, I suppose. Oh, what is happening with that? So frustrating. Crag. What's going on? Crag, I couldn't do that. Martyn would lose his Friday night audience. Everyone would prefer me. Probably would. Because people often prefer it when it's rubbish. They actually do. There's a guy on YouTube, I'm not kidding. There's this really old bloke. He's about 90. He's in an old people's home. It's called Johnny. I'm not kidding you. He has millions of subscribers. Mr. Beast helped him, right? He sits there in his home, in his care facility, and he has karaoke tracks, and he just sings out of tune. Millions of subscribers this guy's got. He's got a whole entourage. He's got t-shirts. You can buy hats from this guy. The guy is making millions, this guy. And so yeah, Sensei, crack on. Sensei, I if I was you, I would do a YouTube channel because it seems these days quality doesn't matter. Quality, facts doesn't matter. Truth doesn't. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Everyone will watch it. Opening song, maximum volume. I'll take some of your Kool-Aid. Let's go. I agree, Sensei. Credit card info attached. Oh, Stacy, I was almost my worst trade of the year. It hit my stop loss. It was also my worst trade of the year. $2 super chat, must comply. Oh my God, advertisement. Skip back it. You can skip the ad. Don't worry about it. Maximum volume, louder, dance, move, dance, whoa. Ken, when Village Farms? Christian, when Village Farms International? I don't know what that means. Sober 100%. Matador. GameStop sucks. Since inception, they destroyed themselves. Best product they sold is their stock. Let's face it. I agree. It's completely broken now. It's completely busted. Roaring Kitty broke it, and it's going down. Look, everything's going down. Hang on.
Stephen Lewandowski donated $9.99 through a super chat. Oil drum, heart, love oil immers in back fro lurking.
See? Do you feel better? Do you feel better now you've stumped up the cash? Do you feel better now? You should feel better. I think you should actually feel better now. Your birthday's, I can't redo the birthday concert, but you do feel better that you tipped for it, don't you? Even though you didn't show up for it until we finished. I mean, some people said it was the best concert ever. Some people said it was the best concert ever. Anyway. Thank you very much indeed. Good morning, family. I hope you're doing well. Hey, the Queen of Self-Braiding buying 3,000 shares soon today. Hi, Queen. I am doing great. I was in Seattle, spent on a boat cruise. Saw most billionaires' homes plus the Seattle Space Needle. Very nice. Looks like SMX day for gains. 18% up. Let's go. What we got here? MLGO Holt. Yes, love them little fellas. That locked and only 1 million micro cap tigers. I'm not sure I know what that means. Hi, John. Game. GME, you have just watched the end. You just said that's the end of that. Move on. Right. Lurking on my birthday. Yeah. Good luck, Stephen. Yep. Village Farms International is a great stock for vegans. Christian Catering. What is it? Village Farms. Have we got Village Farms written down for a review? Village Farms. Village Farms. No, we don't. You know you should get me to do a review for you. Anyway, right. Let's get back to the real stocks. I'm not interested in this anymore. Okay, the overall portfolio is down very, very slightly. Let me just check. I got a notification from Robinhood. Okay, that's good. Just checking that. Yes. Yes. Fine. Stephen is doing a near 200,000 Whoa. Hang on a minute. Did I miss this? Sensei, what's going on with Stephen Lewandowski? Matador, $58, buying soon. Right. Okay. Matador, come back to me. What's going on? MTDR. Stephen Lewandowski. MTDR. Right. Sensei. Do you want to call in? Shall we do a chart? What's going on? What's going on? Talk to me. Let's make a video. Let's put this out. Let's get the stock to go up. Let's get it to trend. Lurking on my birthday. Stephen is doing a near 200,000 trade today. Martin, this is a massive trade and needs some recognition. Right, what's going on? Okay, Matador. I need some information. I need some links on YouTube. Matador, $178,000 on Matador. Right, Sensei, can you call in? Do a chart with me? Let's really help Stephen out here. Let's get it to rank on YouTube. I need some links for YouTube. MTDR. Our oil trader is about to buy $178,000 of a stock. That's huge. Let me go members only. So we only have members commenting. We don't want to spoil the chat for this. Members only. Here we go. Huge trade about to occur. Let's go. Members only now. This is a massive trade. One of our biggest trades ever on the show. Probably the biggest trade live on the show. This is massive for the stock, massive for the members, massive for just about everyone. So MTDR, let me get it ready. Okay, MTDR, Matador. Let me go to YouTube. Do I have links for YouTube? Nothing yet. I'm still waiting. I need some great news story on MTDR. If you can send it in, that would be great. MTDR. I am doing my best to find it, as nobody can be bothered to send it in. Don't worry about it. News. MTDR stock news. More tools. Recent past 24 hours. Links for YouTube, nothing yet. Okay, I'm still trying to find something. Can't find anything at the minute. No, can't find anything there. Stephen, has orders been filled? What price are you getting in? Stephen is bullish. I need this news quick. I'm trying to do it for Stephen. I'm running out of time because my premiere's in 20 minutes. And I'm struggling to find anything at the moment. That's, if anyone can help, MTDR. Nothing. I can see now why no one else is coming back with anything, because there's nothing out there. MTDR. One year ago, no news there. So there's nothing new. It's just the price. That's why he's doing it. Okay, so I can't cover news. I'm just going to cover the stock itself. All right, that's what I'll do then. Right. Okay. I've got the best I can. Matador. Only got a few minutes to do this. So let me do that. Why are you so bullish with MTDR? Just thought Sirius XS is looking great. Not yet buying 3,000 much today. I have 178 totaling. What price are you buying? I think he said, is it 58,000? Sorry, 58. Just trying to put this video together. Okay, there we go. Super chat, not super chats, favorites. Right, I've got that ready. There. MTDR. We got that there. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We've got a major purchase about to happen, potentially in the next few moments, live on our show from one of our members, one of our experts who talks about oil, who trades oil, who's made a lot of money out of oil. He's looking at MTDR, Matador Resources. Very, very exciting. And you can see here, I'm going to post some of the comments on the screen. And you can see it's Stephen Lewandowski, our oil guy. He likes Matador, MTDR, 58 buying soon, and we're now at 57.02. He hasn't bought yet. He's about to buy. He says buying 3,000 plus shares soon today. Sensei Crypto noticed this, and thank you so much for bringing it to my attention. Stephen is doing a near 200,000 trade today, Martin. This is a massive trade and needs some recognition. Absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Not yet buying 3,000 plus shares today. MTDR, I have $178,000 in cash. It's a huge position. He has made a lot of money on this stock over the time that he's been investing. It's one of his favorite stocks, if not his most favorite stock. And let's have a look at it very quickly. So any moment now, he's going to say to us he has bought this stock. I've just got another comment coming in going, I was buying at 59, but oil dropped now near 57. So it's about to happen. It's getting very, very exciting to watch this. This is the chart right now. You can see how Matador MTDR is coming down at the moment. If we have a brief look as well at our analysis here, this is what we use, Alpha Spread. Strongly recommend this. All my members can get access to this. It's the most advanced algorithmic software. We love this. New features added all the time. Everyone can use it for free, but my members can get the premium plan with a discount, which makes my membership for free. And you can review as many as you like in full detail. Absolutely great. We've got a reliable intrinsic value here of $81, undervalued by 29% with no warnings. That looks pretty reliable, or even a 52% at best. Worst case scenario, it's fairly valued. That's fantastic. Very, very good indeed. If we scroll down and we can listen in now to the unique advantages using our AI bot, our latest software. Look at this. You can get this software all built in one place. I absolutely recommend this. You can use it for free. I don't get paid to talk about this. I don't get paid to make reviews. I just like sharing this information with you. And you can get this for free. If you want the premium service, which is what I use, then you can get that. And when you do, if you do use the premium service, I get like a $15 one-time payment for doing that, just so you know. But basically, you get it for free, my membership for free with the discount you get. Let's listen of what the AI has to say about Matador. We're going to listen in right now what the unique features are with owning this stock and what are the unique competitive advantages. It's going to take a couple of moments to work it out. While it does, I'll show you the figures. We've got here a revenue up 8% and expected to increase. Operating income up 6%, expected to increase.
Matador
Net income,
Resources Co.
Here it comes.
MTDR, an independent energy company engaged in the exploration, development, production, and acquisition of oil and natural gas resources, primarily in the United States, has several competitive advantages that distinguish it from its rivals. 1. Strategic asset base. Matador's asset portfolio is concentrated in the Delaware Basin portion of the Permian Basin, one of the most prolific and cost-effective regions for oil and natural gas production in the United States. The company's strategic positioning in this premier basin provides access to rich resource deposits, allowing for efficient extraction and potential growth in production. 2. Operational efficiency. Matador is known for its strong operational execution, which includes efficient drilling and completion techniques. The company's focus on technology and innovation in its operations helps to lower production costs and increase the recovery rates of oil and natural gas, providing a competitive edge in a market where cost efficiency is key. 3. Financial discipline. Matador Resources is recognized for maintaining a strong balance sheet compared to many of its peers. The company's financial prudence, particularly in managing debt and allocating capital, allows it to navigate through fluctuating commodity prices
It's
while
being
still
bought up
investing
now.
in growth opportunities.
As we report,
This
it's being
financial
bought up.
discipline also provides the flexibility needed to pursue strategic acquisitions and partnerships. 4. Vertical integration. Through its midstream joint venture in San Mateo, Matador effectively controls a portion of its own gathering, processing, and transportation needs. This vertical integration allows the company to reduce handling costs and dependency on external
Stephen is
pipelines
live on the
and
phone.
services, which can provide a significant advantage
We'll have him
in
on the
terms of
video.
both cost control and operational flexibility.
Insiders buying.
Number 5. Experienced management. Matador possesses a leadership team with extensive experience in the energy sector. The depth and breadth of experience across its management team help in making informed strategic decisions and navigating the company through the cyclical nature of the oil and gas industry. These factors combined contribute to Matador Resources' competitive stance in the industry, enabling it to optimize returns, mitigate risks associated with oil and gas operations, and pursue growth in a strategic manner.
There we go. Fantastic. And we've got Stephen live on the phone. Stephen, if you could turn your phone on its side, please. If you can turn your phone on its side, it will fill the screen. We've got Stephen live on the show. This is very, very exciting, folks. I'm going to bring him live in. He's our oil expert. Let's have a listen to what he says. Let's have a little listen. Stephen, you are live on Martyn Lucas Investor. Lovely to have you here. Happy birthday for yesterday. I love the T-shirt. Tell me all about it. What's going on?
Good. I was watching Matador. I've been watching it for about 45 days now, and I had an order in for $59 to buy it, and I tried to buy it last night, and it went to 54,004 or 59,004, and I missed it by not even a cent. And it wouldn't fill. So I got up this morning and I'm looking at the oil and it's dropped another $1.50. And I says, you know something, oil's going to drop a little more. So I'm going to take that order out of there for $59 and try to get it for $57. But I haven't bought it yet. I'm waiting for things to settle just a little bit in the oil markets. It should settle out and should be around 57, maybe even lower. So by the end of the day, I should buy maybe more than 3,000 shares. And then I'm going to swing trade it. In about 110 days, I'll probably make $15 a share and walk away with about $48,000.
Flipping heck. Fantastic.
Yeah, that is fantastic.
Fantastic.
I've done actually 3 times already I've done this.
Fantastic.
I've made a bunch of money on oil, and I love Matador.
What do you love particularly about MTDR? What draws you to that particular stock?
I invest when the pandemic hit and it went to $15 a barrel. I invested in a lot of oil, but when everything doubled, I sold half. And I wish I wouldn't have sold half, but I did. That was my that's how I traded back then.
Okay.
And
Thank you, Stephen. Stay on the phone for me. I'm just going to end this video out, but stay on the phone for me. There's Stephen
right.
Lewandowski, who is right on the edge now of making a major purchase of Matador MTDR. We can see it going up now. This video is going to rank. A lot of people are going to talk about this. I wouldn't be surprised if this ranks #1 on our channel today. A lot of energy. I've just shown you now insiders buying. I've just let you hear from the AI of what makes this stock unique, and a lot of excitement now is going to be drawn to this, and we look forward to having an update with Stephen to find out if he did actually get in at the price he wanted. So click above my head for all those links. If you want to use Alpha Spread, the software that I use, everyone can use it for free, but if you want the premium plan like I use, if you are a member of my channel, you'll essentially get my membership for free with the discount you get. It's the most advanced algorithmic software, way ahead of the competition. Down below in the description, I'll put the link there for it. Above my head, it's martynlucas.com. If you go to my website, martynlucas.com, you will find all the links there for all my things that I'm connected with. Scroll down and you'll see Alpha Spread. It's just scroll down the list of the links and you'll find it. Over here, all my reviews. If you look here, are all my reviews I've done for Alpha Spread. And down here, you'll find another playlist. This is very different. This is Sensei's playlist. Sensei does the technical charts, and he may even do a technical chart on this. If you join him on Sunday for the Sunday show, he might do a technical chart for you. He'll do it for all members. It's just a service that we provide. And his technical chart review will be in this playlist down here. So here are my fundamental playlists, and here are Sensei's playlists for all his technical charts on the stock. We wish Stephen the greatest of luck, and we hope to hear back. As you can see right now, he was right. It's just starting to settle. He's not jumping in. He's being patient. That you are now listening to a very experienced oil trader. So let's see if he gets the price that he wants. Is he holding on too much? Is he being greedy? Is he asking too much? These are the questions you can ask me in the comments below, and I'm sure Stephen will look below the video and comment himself. So once again, up here, down here. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. There you go, Stephen. That video will go out in a minute, and it'll rank on YouTube.
Concert last night. I actually watched the whole thing, but I lurked through the whole thing, and then at the end, I said thank you. But you already played my birthday song twice yesterday.
I know.
So
yeah,
I didn't ask for it again.
Yeah, I mean, we kind of milked it, didn't we? We kind of did it. Yeah. We kind of did it.
Well, you only turned 65 once.
That's right.
So.
That's right. Might as well do it properly. I can't wait until you're 70. It's going to be crazy.
Yeah, I can't wait till 72.
70, absolutely bloody right. See what happens. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to put on the fancy music. I'm going to go over there and I'm going to sing happy birthday. It's basically, we're going to just do it all over again. Yeah, that's what I can predict the future. Did you know that? I can predict the future. I've got a crystal. I love the
shirt I got on.
I know. The Day Trader on tour UK 2022. We need a US one on tour in the US next. That's the next one we need. Yeah. And then we'll put all the dates down the back like you do on rock concert t-shirts. Brilliant. Right. Stephen, I've got to let you go because...
I'll let everybody know when I actually buy.
Brilliant. Yeah. Post it in
today, probably.
Yeah, post it in the extra channel, and then we'll do a follow-up. And if you're able then to call back this afternoon, we'll do a follow-up on it.
Ian Jackson has become a member on Extra.
There you go. Become a member on Extra. That's where it'll be posted. Let us know, and if you can call back this afternoon, the closing bell, we'll do an update on it if you bought in by then, and that'd be great.
I probably won't because I got a meeting, a free dinner today.
That's fair enough. Call us tomorrow. Yeah. Call us anytime. Yeah. The phone's always open to you, Stephen.
Yeah, I know. I'll talk to you soon here. But I'll let everybody know when I buy it.
Great. Good luck to you.
Big spender.
That's how you make your money, innit? All right, brilliant.
That's right.
Spot on. Take care, mate.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
There's Stephen Lewandowski. Let's wish him all the best today when he buys a nice big chunk of that. He's ready. He's patient. He's waiting. That's how you do it, folks. That is how you do it. Right. Okay. So you just wait. He knows what he wants. He's waited months for it. He's waiting. He's confident. He's not just going to jump in and go bugger it. I'm buying it here. He's having patience. That is how a successful investor makes money. Right, okay, let's have a look. Now then, we've got the world premiere in 5 minutes. So what we're going to do now, let's see how many people are joining me. First of all, let you know, in the extra channel today, it's a new feature. We now have Ian Jackson's just become a member. He wants to know when, he wants to be kept up to date. Special guest, welcome special guest, Ian Jackson. It's only 99 cents to be a guest in our channel, a special member like that. So here is our Here's our extra channel, and every day now we're running questions and polls and all kinds of things. And today we're asking you, long-term investor, short or short-term scalper. We have a poll. The poll is now 94% long-term investors, 6% scalp traders. And the question that we're debating, we have a debate, long-term investor or a short-term scalper. 12-hour live debate. Leave your thoughts on pros and cons. That's the extra channel. I'll give you the link for it right now so you can pop in there and you'll find out when Stephen buys and if he buys and how much he buys and all the rest of it as it happens. But also what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to the, we normally go to the extra channel, but what we're going to do now is go to a world premiere of our latest video. It starts in just a couple of minutes from now. Okay, I've set that up. Let me make sure it's correct. Okay, that's all correct. Looking good, looking good. Alrighty, here is the event. We're going to be live there in 3 minutes. Join me for this live premiere. I'll give you the link for it. Here it is. Did I already give you the link? Probably did. I'll give it to my Rumble audience as well, should you wish to join me for the world premiere. It's also available on Rumble as well, so you can go and check it out there. Fantastic. Rockish said, put in to get MTDR, $57. We'll see what happens. There we go. Rockish is buying. Rockish is buying on Rumble. He's buying Matador. A lot of people are going to buy this today. This will trend on my channel. I'm sure this will be like number 1 or 2 today. So get ready for that. Thank you so much for today, Martyn. Hustle Brothers, you are very, very, very welcome. Glad to be of help. We got a member today who became 23 subscribers. He was at 11 subscribers today, and he became a silver member. And because he's a bronze member on his main account and a silver member here on his YouTube channel, I decided to put him on the homepage of the YouTube channel. I do that for all our silver members, but I pushed him to the top because he's a member twice. And what we're asking everyone to do is to subscribe to him. There is his subscription. He was on 11 subscribers today, and we more than doubled his subscribers. He's gone up 100% today in 1 day. Absolutely great. So we've got 2 minutes before the premiere starts. There's the premiere, 2 minutes. So come on, who's the last person to do it? Let's get him to 25 subscribers. I know we're going to get him to 100 subscribers when we get a busy show. I've got no doubt about that. You ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 23 is now 23. I know we're going to get one more. I've given you the link in the chat just before the premiere starts. In 5, 4. I'm very confident. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 23 is now 23. One more. He's been a member of our channel for over a year. He'll be 2 years soon, and he's a member twice. So I really want to help our members grow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 23. 23. I've got to go because the premiere's about to start. There's my premiere. Look, we've got 60 seconds. I've got to go. So here's the last time. You ready? The link's in the chat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 25! I bloody knew it. I knew we could do it. I knew we could do it. There you go. He's a quarter of a century. Fan-flipping-tastic. Congratulations to you, the Hustle Brothers. And I'll continue. If you remain a silver member, you'll be on the homepage of my channel forever, and you'll always be getting people to see you on my channel. And as I grow, 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, there you will be on the homepage of our channel. Right, it's now time for a world premiere. Please join us so you can keep the conversation going and be live together. I'm going to get off. I'm going to put out more premieres today. We got Oxygen going out. I've got Matador MTDR about to go live as well. That's going to be big. That's going to rank on our channel, and we're going to see MTDR go up today. I've no doubt about it whatsoever. There you go. Right, that's it from me. Thank you so much indeed for joining me. Let's roll the credits as we get prepared for the premiere. Roll the credits. See who the stars of our show were today. Here we go. What do we have? Stars of our show. We've got new subscribers. All Line 340 members, the Hustle Brothers, Super Chat, Cedar Trees, GoDB, and Stephen Lewandowski today became members and subscribers and super chatters on our show today. There you go. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Right, the premiere is about to start. We're going to go over here. Please do join me. That's it from me. I will see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. And between now and then, there'll be premieres, Oxygen, this is Fuel Cell, there'll be Matador, there's a new story about Roaring Kitty being banned online and being sent him to jail for all his manipulation for GameStop. I think that's going to happen. Is just like Sam Bankman-Fried, and it's caused absolute chaos, and people have lost all their money, and he deserves to go to jail. I absolutely agree with that. All right, so there you go. Enjoy the premiere. That's it from me. I'm done. I'm out of here. After this, you can then join us back again, of course, for the extra channel. There'll be more premieres coming out today. And that's it. Go and enjoy the premiere. I'll see you back in a bit. Thank you ever so much. Have a wonderful afternoon. Behave yourselves, whatever you're doing. Good luck for Matador. It is rising. I'm not surprised it's rising with my video going out. A lot of people are going to be talking about it, and it's going to rank on YouTube. I've got no doubt about it whatsoever. So there you go. That's it from me. I'm done. Have a wonderful afternoon. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, crypto, and each other. Bye-bye.